Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me NOKIA C32, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, firstly you need to disable all unnecessary features on this device. So if you don't need Bluetooth right now, disable it. If you don't need newbie share right now, disable the newbie share. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it, and disable location services. You can do it in this way. Find location, drag it to the upper part, go back and disable it. Click close. Cool. And of course, you can enable the battery saver mode. In this way, you will improve your battery life. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.